In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add connections in Figma. First, open your design in Figma. Make sure the frames you want to connect are on the canvas and clearly labeled. Good naming helps you find the right targets quickly, especially in larger files with many screens or variations. Next, switch into prototype mode. You can do this by clicking the prototype tab in the right sidebar, or by pressing Shift+E on your keyboard. You'll notice the right panel changes from design properties to prototype controls. This is where you'll manage interactions and see connection details as you work. Now, select a hotspot the object you want to be interactive. This can be a button, an image, a text layer, or any element a user would click or tap. If your object is nested inside groups or components, select that specific layer in the Layers panel so you are wiring the correct element, not the entire frame. When selected, you'll be ready to create a connection. Hover over the selected object and look for the small blue circle, sometimes called the node, on its edge. Click and drag the blue plus icon from that node toward the frame you want to navigate to. As you drag, you'll see a curved line often called the noodle following your cursor. Move it until the destination frame highlights, or the arrow snaps to it. Then release. That snap confirms the link is aimed at the correct frame. If your canvas is crowded, a quick zoom out before dragging can make targeting easier. As soon as you let go, the Interaction Details panel appears on the right. Here is where you define how your prototype behaves. Set the trigger, like on click, for desktop-style interactions or on tap for touch. Choose the action, such as Navigate to, which moves from the current frame to your selected target. Then pick an animation. Instant jumps directly with no transition. Dissolve provides a subtle fade, useful for simple screen changes. Smart Animate attempts to animate differences between matching layers across frames. It works best when layers share names and structure. You can fine-tune easing and duration to make transitions feel smooth and consistent with your brand or platform. That's it. Thanks for watching.